How to install multi-ionizer to a garden sprayer. Detach the garden sprayer from the garden hose by twisting it off. Then attach the multi-ionizer to the hose connector and tighten it with your hands only. Finally, attach the garden sprayer to the multi-ionizer. Remember to use your hands only in order to avoid possible damage to the device. Turn on the water supply valve. Then check if there's any water leaking in between the sprayer and hose. When ionized water from multi-ionizer is used in agriculture, it greatly increases the productivity, biomass, and yield.